Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we're going to dive into the fundamentals of 3D printing and explore the incredible benefits it can offer your business. First, let's start with the basics. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process where a digital 3D model is turned into a physical object by building it up layer by layer. This technology has come a long way in recent years, making it more accessible and affordable for small businesses and entrepreneurs like yourselves. One of the key advantages of 3D printing is its flexibility. With this technology, you can create customized, one-of-a-kind products that cater directly to your customers' needs. Rather than being limited by mass production, you can design and produce items that are tailored to individual preferences. This level of personalization can be a game changer in today's competitive marketplace. Another major benefit is the speed and efficiency of 3D printing. Gone are the days of lengthy production cycles and high tooling costs. With a 3D printer, you can rapidly prototype and iterate on your designs, getting your products to market faster than traditional manufacturing methods. This agility allows you to respond quickly to changing customer demands and trends. But the advantages don't stop there. 3D printing also offers significant cost savings. By eliminating the need for expensive molds, dies, and other tooling, you can reduce your upfront investment and overhead costs. Plus, you can print on demand, minimizing the risk of overproduction and excess inventory. And let's not forget about the environmental impact. 3D printing is a more sustainable manufacturing process as it reduces waste and allows for the use of eco-friendly materials. This aligns perfectly with the growing consumer demand for sustainable and socially responsible products. So, as you can see, 3D printing presents a wealth of opportunities for your business to thrive. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into the evolution of this technology, the different types of 3D printers, and how to choose the right materials for your projects. But before we move on, I want to encourage you all to subscribe to our channel and join us on this exciting journey. By following along, you'll be the first to know about new video releases, exclusive tips, and valuable insights that can help you build a successful 3D printing business. So, let's keep the momentum going. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore the fascinating history and development of 3D printing. Stay tuned.